Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I will going to teach you how to construct or learn about the possessive pronouns. So this is a requested video at ginawa natin to para sa inyo. Okay? So kung bago ka dito sa aking channel ay maraming salamat, and if you're not yet subscribed, why don't you click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell nang sa ganun lagi kayong updated. Let's go! So first, kailangan nating malaman kung ano ba ang possessive pronouns. So, marami nagtataka at marami ding nalilito kung ano ba itong mga possessive, demonstrative, nominative, accusative. So, maraming mga terms na dito lang sa mga pag-aaral ng language nyo may experience. I mean, napag-aralan naman natin sa English, di ba? Mga ganyan, pero hindi tayo nagpay attention sa mga possessive, demonstrative, unso. Ano mga tawag doon? So, this is the possessive pronoun like the act of possession to object or person. Ibig sabihin, inaangkin mo yung something or someone. Okay? Possession possession. Next is, in English, for example, my handy, my car, his car, her car, their bags. So, yun yung possessive pronoun. So, kung may idea ka na, yun yung mga tawag doon. Possessive pronoun ang tawag dyan. So, in English, bigyan ko kayo ng konting overview muna kung ano itong possessive pronouns na to. And then, we will go through the explanation and the tables. Okay? So, for example, ito. That is my bag in English. Then, that is my Natasha's. So, ito yung magiging possessive pronoun natin. At malalaman nyo later on bakit naging mine, minor, minen, unso. Okay? So, I need his car. So, I need his car. Okay, this is our possessive pronoun in English, ito. And then, in our German sentence is sign auto. Okay? So, bakit kanina mine, bakit ngayon sign also? Mamaya i-explain natin yan. She is driving with my bicycle. So, our possessive pronoun here is this one, my bicycle. Sie fährt mit meinem Fahrrad. Okay, ngayon, bakit naging meinem, meine, seinen? So, later on, i-explain ko sa inyo. At the end of the video, meron tayong exercises at ma-apply nyo kung ano yung natutunan nyo in this video. Okay? Kung bago ka dito, why don't you click the subscribe button, okay? At share nyo itong mga videos na to. At kung may mga tanong kayo, just write down your comments or may suggestion kayo kung ano susunod ko na video na i-upload para nang sa ganun magawa natin ng video for the sake of the nagse-self-study or nag-aaral ng A1. Okay, another one is, ito medyo mahaba-haba, but then A1 pa rin naman yan, okay? My mother plays our phone in my room. Okay? Place or put or anything else, pareho lang siya. Meine Mutter legt unser Handy in mein Zimmer. Okay? So, mamaya malalaman natin. Tingnan mo, iba-iba sila ng form. Di ba? So, ito na ang explanation natin dyan. So, things you have to learn or you have to remember na ang possessive pronoun always follow the indefinite article form of the noun. For example, eine Tasche, ein Auto, ein Fahrrad, ein Kafe. So, yun ang indefinite article. Pero yung mga sinabi ko is nominative case. Okay? Alam nyo na yun. Ang definite is the der, die, das. Ang indefinite is ein, eine, ein. Okay? Next, you have to follow the case, the gender, and the number of the noun. The number of the noun if singular or plural. Okay? The gender is the feminine, masculine, und neutral. And cases are the nominative, accusative, dative, und genitive. Okay? But we are in A1, focus natin is nominative, accusative, and dative. Okay? I will give you then the table here. So, these are the gender, masculine, feminine, or plural, and neutral. So, ito yung normally na talagang kailangan yung kabisaduhin. I cannot apply any song for this. I have this mnemonics, pero baka hindi din siya useful, kaya hindi ko na lang ibibigay. Mahirap kasi mas maganda kung kanta, but I cannot really find a nice song kid song or nursery song for this, mahirap. Sa ibang mga tutorials ko, sa online course ko na ginagawa, I have lot of songs doon na bago na hindi included sa YouTube. Pag natapos yun, you can find that so easy to learn Germans with singing, okay? Especially when it comes to memorizing, hindi mo na kailangan na magkabisado ng Mein, Dein, Sein, Ihr, so. So, in my songs, in my online course na ginagawa for A1, I have lot of songs na mas mapapadali ang iyong pagme-memorize. You have to sing. You only have to sing, and then it's not so hard for you to understand and memorize the pag-aaral ng German. So, this is our, kailangan yung tandaan to, okay? But then you have to follow the indefinite article, okay? Die ein, eine, und ein. So, ang gagawin nyo lang is, ito yung ein, einen, einen, yan, no? Normally yan, dito, okay? So, but this, you have to memorize first the nominative case. These are all nominative case. Hindi ko na sinulat yung accusative case kasi accusative case and dative case is self-explanatory na kapag ka accusative, magiging meinen, okay? Magiging deinen, seinen, ihren. So, alam nyo na yon. Kantahin nyo lang yung may tatlong bibe. Okay, der, die, das, den, die, das, einen, eine, ein. Nandoon na yung kanta na yon kung paano kayo mag-conjugate ng madali, definite and indefinite articles with the nominative and accusative case. So, iyan, sa ich or like mine, okay, mine, meine, mine. Okay, sa du is your in English. For example, your table, your chair, your handy. So, ang gagamitin nyo is dein, deine, dein. Okay? Ang naman, so hiwa-hiwalay sila ngayon dito. Okay? Si ang gagamitin nyo, si und es, magkapareho sila. Okay? So, ganun ang kapag memorize nyo, para hindi na kayo mag-isa pa, na mein, dein, sein, ihr, sein, in. Alam mo yun, umuulit rin naman yun. So, isahin nyo, und es ay both same sila ng conjugation, ng possessive pronoun. Sein, seine, sein. Okay, nominative case tayo Accusative kasi naman is self-explanatory. Kaya nyo na yan, lagyan lang en. Pag dative naman, lagyan ng em on er. Okay? Pag feminine. So, si, her, for example, her tasche, her bag, her clothes, unso. Ir naman dun. Okay? Ir. Si Z, lahat ng Z, pati si na plural at si na formal, pareho lang sila kung mapapansin nyo. So, hindi na kayo mahihirapan masyadong magkabisado niyan. Pagka sa si formal na you have to only capitalize this first letter, every first letter ng mga pronoun niya. Okay? Z, ir, iren, irem, inen. So, kailangan capital ang C niya pag formal ang ginagamit nyo. So, sa S is tapos na tayo, pareho ng R. And wir is our. For example, our teacher, our mother, our baby, and so. Unser, okay? And then, unsere, and unser. Okay? Normally kasi masculine and neutral, pareho lang sila palagi. Kahit naman sa ein, eine, ein. Diba? Sa indefinite and definite article, sa indefinite article, pareho naman sila palagi. Sa ir naman, this is the plural form of the do. Okay, do. Euer. Okay, euer. Tapos eure und euer. Pareho palagi si masculine and neutral. Okay? But pareho din palagi si feminine and plural. Okay? Huwag kayong malilito doon. Pinapadali ko na sa inyo kung paano i-analyze to ng mas madili at mas mabilis. I hope you are with me at hindi kayo naguguluhan. Okay? So, malalaman nyo lang to, ang bawat video na pinapanood nyo sa akin, malalaman nyo lang kung naiintindihan nyo siya when it comes to the exercises at the end of my video. Kaya, napaka-helpful talaga ng mapanood nyo at ma-apply nyo kagad at the end of my video, okay, sa dulo, yung napag-aralan nyo in every videos that you're watching. Okay, kahit hindi man video ko, kahit sa ibang video, kailangan ina-apply nyo direkta yan. Kasi once na nag-aral kayo, okay, pag nag-aral kayo ng isang language unso or history man yan, math man yan. Pag hindi nyo siya in-apply, for example, may bago kayong formula sa math, hindi nyo siya in-apply kagad, makakalimutan nyo siya in like 20 minutes or like one day. Alam nyo yun. Repetition and application are very important. Kaya lagi ako ngayon naglalagay ng mga exercises sa dulo ng aking videos just to make sure na naintindihan nyo or na-assess nyo yung sarili nyo. Oo. Pwede mo sabihin in the middle of my video, oo, mind darn sign, madali lang naman yan. Pero hindi nyo in-apply siya directly, ay wala kayong, ano ba tawag doon, walang magi-stick sa sarili nyo, okay? Unless ay naintindihan nyo talaga siya, okay? At mas maganda may application kayo kaagad. Okay, so yan, ang nominative natin, ang accusative naman is lalagyan ng en, di ba? And dative naman en on in er. Okay, so apply kagad natin yan. Okay, sabi ko sa inyo, yan ay kailangan yung kabisaduhin. Pasensya na, wala talaga akong maisip na kanta para maano niyo siya, mind, dine, sign, ear. Okay, pas video. But then right now, ay gusto ko muna i-explain sa inyo lahat yung possessive pronoun na yan. Let's go now to the exercises. So, in every video, I always want to make sure that you can translate sentences into German. Napakadaming nag-message sa akin na they finish their A1 without learning how to construct or formulate German sentence. So, simple sentence. So, gusto ko, every videos ay kahit paunti-unti, kaya nyo nang mag-translate by your own. Okay, I'm always here to guide you then. So, ito ay translate natin. He is our father. Okay, and I have my money. That is her bag. The mother drives with his car. They give the apple to my brother. I drink coffee with my husband. And our teacher gives her number to us. So you can stop this and then write it down on your paper. If you have that paper, better. Dahil practice din sa SCHREIBEN. Okay? And construction of the sentences. But then you can also proceed now to my answers. I always give the correct answer with the explanation. Sa ganun, hindi lang, okay, he is our father, tos eto German translate niya. So, mas maganda may explanation kung ba't nagkaganon talaga ang sentences. Okay, hindi bini-breakdown with the explanation. Okay, this is my explanation for the first is, he is our father, is unser Vater. Okay, sabi ko nga sa'yo, ang our is our, and then katabi niya ay father, that means this unser possessive pronoun is a masculine dahil dito kay father. Okay? If you're gonna check the table, you will see na tama yung mga sinasabi natin at pwede ka naman magdepende for the first few exercises. Kaya mo naman yan idepende hanggang sa ma-familiarize ka na sa mga possessive pronoun. Next, ich habe mein Geld. Okay, I have my money. Madali lang pag my and thine, okay? Pagka susunod na medyo mahirap-hirap na, ich habe mein Geld. This is das Geld. That's why mein Geld is a possessive pronoun na neutral. That is her bag. Das is ihre Tasche, okay? Her bag is ihr. Okay, her is ihr, but then the Tasche is feminine. That's why we are gonna follow that at yun ang kukunin natin na possessive pronoun, nagiging ihre Tasche. Okay, because of the Tasche, that is a feminine. The mother drives with his car. His is our possessive pronoun. Okay. Die Mutter fährt mit seinem Auto. Okay. So, sa kanta ko na dative preposition, aus, außer, bei, mit, nach, seit, von, zu, dative preposition. So, ibig sabihin, if there is a mit, okay, before the article, it will be automatically a, tama, dative form. Dahil nga ang dative form ng auto is dem Auto, okay, or einem Auto. Kaya ang gagamitin natin seinem because of the his. Okay, sein plus the dative form seinem Auto. They give the apple to my brother. Sie geben meinem Bruder den Apfel. Okay, my brother is our possessive pronoun. Okay? And Bruder is lalaki. And that means that einem Bruder, if it's indefinite without a possessive article. So, magiging meinem Bruder dahil lalaki si Bruder. Okay? I drink coffee with my husband. Ich trinke mit meinem Mann einen Kaffee. Okay. Ito medyo mahaba, i-breakdown natin isa-isa. So, einen Kaffee is what are you drinking? It's the accusative form. Ngayon, dahil nga sabi ko sa inyo, katulad dito, may mit. Okay? Possessive, preposition, dative preposition, magiging meinem Mann. Okay? Meinem Mann, ang magiging dative form. Okay, possessive dative form. Okay, that's it. And our teacher gives her number to us. Gives her number to us. May dative form tayo. Dalawa ang magiging possessive. Our teacher, our. Possessive ka, possession. Pag mamayari mo, parang teacher ko yan. Ganyan. Her number is possessive pronoun also.
Unsere Lehrerin
Gibt uns ihre Handynummer. Bakit naging ihre Handynummer? Kasi si Numa, okay, Handynummer is a feminine. Ihre, her. Okay. So, iyan ang ating possessive pronoun. At I hope may natutunan na naman kayo. If you want to learn more or may suggestion kayo, comment nyo lang sa baba. And then, sa mga gusto magpa-review, I'm open for a review lesson tutorial. Just click the email down below and then you can book with me at mapag-usapan natin yan. Okay? So far, marami na ako nagiging students and they passed the exams. At sana ay maging student ko din kayo. Okay? Maraming salamat sa inyo and hope to see you in the next video mga kasisi. Okay? Tschüss!